Hi, my name is Dr. Ben Atkins. Today, I couldn't be more excited to share with you how to finally find your perfect clients. And more importantly, how you can get those clients so excited to work with you, they'll happily say yes as soon as you offer your services. In fact, this approach is so simple. I'm able to land clients just by taking a few minutes every morning and doing it from the comfort of my bed. Of course, that's just my preference. You may prefer to go to work, at a coffee shop, or the couch, or even while you're lounging by the pool. The point is, this 5-step process for getting new clients is so ridiculously easy. You can do it from anywhere. Now, you may be wondering how I can be so confident that this technique will fuel your business with a ton of new clients. Well, in addition to growing my own business, I've worked with a lot of digital agency owners, coaches, and consultants. Despite having an amazing service to offer, they found themselves in the same position you probably are now, struggling to land clients and grow their business. And here's why. They weren't looking in the right place to find new clients. Many business owners will try cold calling, walking into businesses, aimlessly searching on social media, or even paying for advertisements. More often than not, these searches come up empty-handed. Now, every so often, they may find a potential lead, and that brings us to the next big problem. Chasing after the wrong people. People will waste your time and never actually pay for your service. See, if you're not looking in the right place and dialing in your search, the likelihood of finding leads that will waste your time is so much greater. These people are often difficult to help. You'll go back and forth for hours and they'll fool you into thinking you're making traction. But as soon as you throw an offer their way, they'll quickly decline. Of course, that's just the people who will respond to you. For everyone who will waste your time, there are countless others who won't even bother to respond. Being ignored isn't just something you're used to. You're unfortunately come to expect it. Look, I know you're frustrated, and frankly, I don't blame you. That's why I'm so excited that you and I have connected today. Today, we're going to put your business on an entirely different path, a path that avoids every single one of those dead ends that I've just mentioned, and instead connects you with the perfect pool of clients that will be genuinely excited to work with you. And most importantly, they will gladly pay for your service. With that said, I'd like to invite you inside Instaclient Recipe. Instaclient Recipe is my step-by-step approach that will show you exactly where to find leads that are perfectly suited for your service and how to turn them into a paying client. As I said earlier, this entire process is so insanely simple that you can do it from absolutely anywhere. You can bring your smartphone or laptop. So circling back, how can I be so confident that Instaclient Recipe will fuel your business with new clients? Well, there's 3 main reasons. Number 1, I'll show you how to use Instagram. Yes, Instagram, and my 5 secret criteria to zero in on your perfect client. Never again will you waste time searching aimlessly for leads or spend money on paid advertising that doesn't produce results. All you have to do is jump on Instagram and follow the 5 very specific criteria that I use to quickly find your most ideal client. Using these criteria, you'll also completely avoid the type of people who waste your time. Number 2, I'll show you how to build a genuine connection with those perfect leads that will motivate them to work with you. It's not often that people respond to messages from people they don't know. In fact, it's the number 1 reason that private messages get ignored. To get your foot in the door, I'll share my foolproof approach for not only getting you on their radar, but actually getting them excited to work with you. This will set you up perfectly to land them as a
monkey.